Namaste, dear parents. Hope you are fine at home. At first, I should be thankful to you for the trust, faith, cooperation, and support you have shown to us in the time of pandemic. You sent your kids in the Gurukul Nilokheri, and we are happy that once again they are on the right track. Your kids are mentally settled here. They are happy, they are healthy, and the purpose for which you sent them here, they are fulfilling it. They are living the moments to the fullest. I know the corona pandemic has hit hard in number of ways, and the students have been the worst sufferers. But since the kids are over here, and it's our primary duty to focus on their betterment, I should let you know about their daily routine. They get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. They go to ground. There they do light exercises. They come back to school. They go to hostel. They get ready for school. Then they take breakfast. And then school starts. 2 to 3, they take rest. And 3 to 5, what is taught during daytime is practiced. After 5 o'clock, they have their ground time. They go to ground along with their coaches and they play the games. 7 to 8, they take their dinner. And 8 to 10, they study under the supervision of teacher. This is the healthy schedule that your kids go by. Healthy diet is given to them. On priority basis, kadha is given to them so that their immune system should be built. They were at home during the pandemic. Even still, pandemic is going on. It's not yet over. It's receded. It is because of the corona protocol we are following, and hope the best of life or the best of time will come surely. Some parents feel bad whenever their request is denied. Sometimes they say to us, we wanna come to school to meet our child. Sometimes they say, we wanna talk with our child telephonically. We deny. I feel sorry for it, but you are to understand the gravity of situation. Your children are safe here, and the purpose for which they have been sent is being fulfilled. Corona is not yet over. And the opinion of experts that the third wave will come. It may come, it may not come. But if we cling to proper behavior regarding or pertaining to corona, I think we can avoid it. Third wave may not take place. Kids were at home, they took online classes, but online classes has its limitation. They came to school and again we started the syllabus, thinking that our child should not be disturbed from study point of view. They should be laden with the work. They should have full-fledged skills, which corona has taken a toll on that. Complete syllabus we have started again, following the corona protocol, and hopefully the time which will come to us will be positive sign for us that we are to work for the betterment of your child. Some parents, they call that Rakhi, the pious festival is about to be, so we wanna come. I request the parents, kindly cooperate with us not to come to school. I request you, because the purpose for which you sent your child to us, we won't be able to fulfill it because corona is not yet over. We are to follow the complete protocol. We are to be with the distance, and we are to teach the kids. You may feel bad for it, but ensure what we do for the betterment of your child. For Rakhi purpose, you can send your Rakhi to us through speed post or registered post. Here the teachers or the hostel teachers, They can celebrate the Rakhi festival by tying Rakhi, and your children will feel happy. I know it may be hard for sisters. I feel sorry. I feel sorry to the sisters. But dear sisters, you are to understand the gravity of situation. Situation is getting normal, and we won't let you allow to be in the Gurukul Nilokheri unless the complete scenario will be fully normal. Hope the best of time is yet to come. Diwali break will take place 29th October onwards. Up to 13th November, we will have Diwali break. In the evening of 29th October, you can take your child back, and on 14th of November, you are to report in the Gurukul Nilokheri. Hope situation will be normal, but if government takes any decision regarding corona pandemic, we are to follow the decision of government. Hope you will understand the situation, hope you will cooperate with us, and hope that the things will go in the right way. Next thing, the syllabus of board classes 10th or plus 2 has been divided into 2 parts. Now in this very academic session, there is semester system, and the exam of first semester will take place either in the month of November or December, and we are full-fledged for it. So keeping in mind the worth of time, the value of time, and intensity of situation, plus the betterment of your children, we are doing so. Once again, I request the parents not to be panic regarding Raksha Bandhan. I request the parents not to come to the Gurukul Nilokheri. Again, I would like to summarize all these things to the parents that कोरोना अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. हाँ, रुका है, थमा है, ख़त्म भी हो जाएगा यदि हम इस प्रोटोकॉल को फॉलो करते रहें. आपके बच्चे सुरक्षित हैं, सेफ हैं, जिस काम के लिए आप लोगों ने भेजा है वो काम पूर्ण रूप से हो रहा है, और एक बदलाव बच्चे की सोच में, बच्चे के व्यवहार में, उसके मूल्यों में हम देख रहे हैं. ये बदलाव, ये जो एक ग्रोथ है, ये पॉसिबल रही है सिर्फ आप लोगों के कोऑपरेशन की वजह से. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये आपका कोऑपरेशन इस तरह से बना रहेगा. रक्षाबंधन पे कोई भी पेरेंट्स कृपया करके स्कूल में ना आए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना तो वो व्यवस्था बन पाएगी कि हम आपकी RT-PCR को चेक करें, और इतने बल्क में पेरेंट्स आएंगे तो हम कोरोना को इनवाइट कर सकते हैं, हमारे बच्चे संक्रमित हो सकते हैं, और जिस पर्पस के लिए आपने गुरुकुल चुना है वो पर्पस कभी भी हिट नहीं होगा. रक्षाबंधन पे आप राखी भेज सकते हो, हमारे टीचर आपके बच्चों को राखी बांधेंगे और इस पर्व को सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आप इस चीज़ को समझेंगे और हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट करेंगे. नमस्ते, धन्यवाद.